Welcome back. I'm joined now by Dr. Jochen of Contour Dermatology, and he's here to discuss some new products that the FDA has approved. And they're just in time, I'd say, for Christmas, because a lot of people probably want to spice it up for the holidays, and you've got great ideas for what they can do to make themselves look a little more festive.
Yes. Well, there's a new product.
Festive.
Yeah, yes. There's a new product called Voluma, and this is really a game changer for the filler industry. And the reason for that is it's the first FDA-approved hyaluronic acid filler for the mid-cheek area. Now, all the other ones have been approved for around the mouth, and so I'm sure you've been out in the valley and seen people, and they look a little bit artificial and sometimes ridiculous because they're getting too much here and too much around this area here. And so they start to look very artificial. So this one is approved for the mid-cheek area, so it's great.
So it balances it? Is that what ends up happening? Or?
Well, you know, it's the grape raisin phenomenon that happens when we age. We're a grape when we're young, and then as we get older, we deflate. And so, yes, exactly. So we've been filling around here because this was the only area that was FDA approved. Now with the new one, we're going to start lifting the cheeks, which is really where you need to have volume, and we're going to start to see people look more natural with this product.
Well, what is in the product, though? I mean, what is it made up of?
The product is hyaluronic acid, and this is naturally occurring in our skin. So it's really a natural product. So it's a great treatment, and it lasts for 2 years.
That was my next question. How long does it last? And then if you start using the product, are you committed then to it for a lifetime?
No. No, the nice thing is you can use it, it'll gradually dissipate over about a 2-year period, and then you'll go back to where you looked before you used the product. Now, one of the things...
That could be shocking for some people, right? Because they haven't seen their face for 2 years, and then they see it, and it's like, ooh.
But it's a gradual decline.
Okay.
So it's like watching your hair grow. You know, you don't see your hair grow. And so it's a very slow transition back to where you were. But what we have seen with these products is that they do have some longevity. Like with the products that are really FDA approved for 6 to 9 months duration, I'm actually seeing them last for a longer period of time. And a lot of times this is actually a bad thing because if they look artificial,
then they're stuck with it.
Then they're stuck with it. Now the other thing that's nice about these products is if you don't like the way they look, we do have an enzyme that can dissolve them, and so it can dissipate. So they're kind of a no-risk option for people that want to do something cosmetically but are afraid of the results.
Okay, so there are no side effects, though.
Well, you know, anytime you poke the face, and we do poke the face with this, you have a risk of swelling and bruising. So those are really the big ones that you have to worry about.
What about any other reactions that you might have, allergic reactions? Or
very minimal, because these, like I said, are naturally occurring in our skin, so the risk of a reaction is almost non-existent. Now, with the old products like collagen, you had to do a test before you did it because it was made from cow collagen, and so there was a risk that you would have a reaction. But with these, because they're naturally occurring in our skin, the risk is so low it almost never occurs. I mean, I've seen maybe one case in 15 years, so it's very unlikely.
I have to point out the fact that you are ranked like in the 1% of the nation for a lot of the things that you
fillers, do. Yes. Well, we do a lot of fillers in this valley, so I'm fortunate to be in the top 1% for fillers.
That's amazing. Well, congratulations to you. And
thank you.
There you go. You got an idea for the holidays, how to make your face festive for the holidays.